Tesla never expected that humans over 100 years later would be able to craft the alternating current generator he invented with just a hammer, and it's a synchronous high-voltage generator, a high-power optimized model. This model is designed to improve mechanical stability and reduce eddy current loss. The master's delicate hands are rolling flat copper wires that are as precious as gold, and the white, lard-like substance is aerospace-grade epoxy resin adhesive. Laying one layer of flat copper and one layer of adhesive strengthens insulation and structure, reduces winding deformation, and enhances the dynamic stability of the rotor. The simpler the process, the more it demands meticulous craftsmanship. The completed rotor, together with the stator, is placed into a paint dipping cage and sent to the paint dipping workshop for vacuum paint dipping. As is well known, the structural design determines the upper limit of a machine's service life, while the installation, paint dipping, determines the lower limit. The secret lies in craftsmanship. In a vacuum environment, the insulating paint can penetrate every capillary gap. It takes 5 processes and 20 hours to fully saturate, a slow and meticulous process to ensure a uniform, bubble-free insulating layer is formed, eliminating the hidden danger of high-voltage breakdown caused by bubble residues. The subsequent also hours of constant temperature slow drying ensures no cracking or peeling of the paint. This is a process that cannot be rushed or skimped on. Only after more than 30 hours of scientific paint dipping and drying can the qualified rotor reach the assembly area. It is carefully pressed into the rotor main shaft by a hydraulic press, and an excitation subrotor is installed at the shaft end. This is a genius design for brushless generators. Those who understand it are seasoned professionals in the industry. Next, the completed rotor assembly is transported by overhead crane to assemble the ventilation and heat dissipating fan blades, and the 3-proof paint moisture-proof, corrosion-proof, and anti-aging is sprayed on it to further improve durability. Would you dare use a high-voltage generator without rotor dynamic balance testing? Rotor rubbing is no small accident. Conducting dynamic balance testing after painting is for the sake of precision. The tester will add corresponding counterweights to the rotor assembly at precise positions based on the measured unbalance amount, so that the mass distribution of the rotor assembly achieves dynamic balance, ensuring stable operation without rubbing. At this point, the rotor assembly is ready for use. See you next time.